Hi guys, this is Mihai from DNN Sharp. Today I will show you another great thing you can do with DNN Sharp products. In order to get notified every time we upload a new video tutorial, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Go to blog.dnnsharp.com/1001 and click the Get Notified when new video tutorials are posted button. This will open a page where you can subscribe to our channel. Now, for today, I will show you how to create your own floating module using only DNN Sharp products. I've already set up a simple form. Let's go into edit mode so I can show you the form. So, two text boxes and a submit button for the form. To get started, we will need to give a custom class to our form so it would be easier for us to identify it in the DOM. So I'm gonna name it simple float form. Now, if we're going to hide this form from the page, we will need something to trigger it from in order for it to show. So I'm going to add another button onto this form, which I'm going to name help. Let's name it like that. Let's click save, go into layout mode and move the help button to the top of the form. Save. And now this help button will need to be moved outside of the form. Let's see how we can do it. So this is how the form looks now. And if we want to move the help button, we'll have to give it position absolute and right margin, let's say minus 50 pixels. Yeah, I think that put the button outside of the form. That should do it. Let's copy these lines and go into the manage form screen on the help button under UI settings in the styles for control. Save. If we refresh the form now, the help button should be outside of it. It is by default. Now we need to move the entire form outside of the viewable area. To do that, remember we added a class on our form and it's float form, as you can see it here. On this class we will add position fixed and also a left with minus 200 pixels. Lucky. This should be okay for the regular users that do not have the persona bar, but we'll add some tweaks at the end for persona bar as well. So this should be okay for now for this form. In order to apply this styling, we will add another field in the form. Let's add a static text field, and inside of it add the style tags, and on our float form class add some CSS. Now that we moved it outside, we will need to add an animation to it, and in order to do that we're going to use transition to move everything. 0.4 seconds as duration, and let's say an is in and out to apply to both of them. In order to have it working on all browsers, you know the drill. And not to forget, we want to keep it on top of everything, so we're gonna tweak the Z index. Let's add a big number here. That should be okay. Save. Let's refresh the page. Now we want that when we click the help button, the module to show up on the viewing area of the screen. So in order to do that, we will need to change the margins that we added to basically remove that minus 200 pixels position. And we're going to do that by adding an extra class. Let's say when it is open, the margin is set to 0 pixels. Save. And now when help button is clicked, we go to the help button, bind expressions. In the on change click area, we target the element that has the class float form, and we want to either add or remove the open class, and we do that with the toggle class. Open, and let's add a return false here, so the page will not refresh. Keep in mind that if you add return false here, no actions from this button will run. If you add actions on it, the actions will not run because they are prevented by the return false. Save. Let's see if it works. Hopefully it does. I missed a dot here. And now it does work. It shows. Well, it's transparent, but you can tweak that with a little CSS. Let's do it right now under static text. Let's add background to our form. Let's say white background. Let's also add a border, 1 pixel, solid border. Let's say black, and the border radius 5 pixels. Hope that looks nice. Save, reload. There it is. Now let's fix it for the case where you also have the persona bar on in the viewing area. And in order to do that, you will need to add some more CSS. This needs to be closed here. So we're going to target the DNN edit state class, and if float form is in DNN edit state, then the position needs to be altered. Let's say minus 150 pixels instead of minus 200, and also the same line when it is open. In this case it has to be way smaller than that, and it's way smaller, it's without the minus as well. Let's refresh. It's pretty decent, close enough. If we add 10 more pixels there, it's gonna look okay. What did I do wrong? Oh, float form is open. See, that's what I did wrong. Almost perfect. Almost. That's it. Remember, you can do this with any form you want, and you can style it in any way you want. You can even apply the same scenario to other modules, like an action grid, if you want it to slide from any side you want. You can make them to appear from the button, from the right side, from anywhere. It's just CSS. I hope this video helps you, and would love to see you again soon for another great tutorial. Bye!